comes in colors everywhere. She combs her hair. She's like a rainbow. Coming colors in the air. Oh, everywhere. She comes in colors. Hey guys, pretty special request today. We're doing She's a Rainbow by Rolling Stones. I'll show you how I'm playing it in the original key on a high G string ukulele. So grab yours and let's go. Okay, harmonically speaking, throughout the song we have two different parts. I'll first show you the chord progressions for it, and after that I'll show you the little pick that you heard in the intro. So let's start with the intro slash verse. It starts with F to F7. And here we go to B flat. But also I'm putting the pinky right here on the 3rd fret of the C string and then removing it. Have you seen her dressed in blue? See the sky in front of you. And her face is like a sail, speckled white and fair and pale. Have you seen a lady fairer? And the next part is the chorus, which starts with E flat, alright, to B flat 3 times, and then again E flat to B flat to F this time. And then again B flat for 2 bars. And here on the 2nd B flat we start the woke, going to the other part. And this is She comes in colors everywhere. She combs her hair. She's like a rainbow. Coming colors in the air. Or everywhere. Comes in colors. Here we go to B flat. To the next part. Alright, let's see now the little pick that I'm doing. So it starts on 1 N as a pause, and on 2 we start with open C string. Then on the 2nd fret, 3rd fret. Then with the pointing finger here on the 1st fret, 3rd fret, 1st fret of the A string, and grabbing F. Alright? Two down strums on F, and then you make it F7 like this. And then with the pinky here on the 3rd fret of the E string to open A string. So the same thing. And here, notice that this is a little bit quicker. And the last thing before going to B flat. Alright. To this point is the same, and then we get back. And then with the pinky here on the 3rd fret on the E string, grabbing B flat but with the pinky on the 3rd fret of the C string, and then release it. Okay? Alright, that sums up my tutorial for She's a Rainbow by Rolling Stones. It sounds like a Beatles song a little bit. I hope you enjoyed learning with me. If you did, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and you'll see me on the next one. Goodbye.